Hey guys, what's up? Google just launched a new application called Google Handwriting Input. Here you can see it's in Google, and here you can see it's the version number 1. Here you get some screenshots, and Google just published this application. It's fully new. Let's install it. Today in Techno Nature Science, we will give a quick review of Google Handwriting Input. Here the installation is complete. Let's open this application and quickly see this application. Let's quickly set up this. Okay, setup is complete. Let's open messaging and see how it's work. I can see it's worked properly, but I have tried some draw faces. You can see this, but it's not opening here. I think it will do in Hangout. Let's open Hangout and let's try it. I'm trying this. Okay, here it's not doing also. It's a problem. After few minutes, I see there is a button where I can tap the faces so I can draw writing again. Here I can try to crying out with laughing, and here you can see it's not working. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. By the way, thanks for watching this quick video. Have a nice day. Techno Nature Science.